Welcome to my channel. Calix router not connecting to internet. Ensure the router is plugged into a functional power outlet. Look for the power indicator light. If it's off, try a different outlet or check the power adapter. Make sure all Ethernet and coaxial cables are securely connected to the router and the wall socket. Damaged or loose cables can interrupt the internet signal. Unplug the router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple reset can help clear any temporary issues affecting connectivity. Log into the router's admin interface, usually accessible via a web browser at an IP like 192.168.1.1. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your router on the Calix website. Keeping the firmware updated can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Temporarily disable any firewall or antivirus settings on the router to determine if they are blocking internet access. Ensure to enable them again after testing. Perform a factory reset by pressing the reset button on the router for about 10 seconds. This will erase all settings and restore the router to its original state. Connect your device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. If you can access the internet this way, the issue might be with your Wi-Fi settings or the wireless devices. Thank you for watching.